Hello everyone and welcome to the remnants of Blizzard Geraldine. And no, I'm recording this later, but I want to show you the incredible things that happened. Take a look at this snow wall here. That is what was across the highway, and we're going to look at more of those as we go down the road here. But take a look at that to the right side here. And this is the morning after the storm, and the highway has just opened up here. This is the latest that they've ever opened the highway, and that kind of happened because there were so many cars that were just out here that thought that they could go up driving in the storm. And I'd never seen this before. It was just amazing. And it was amazing what happened out here on the road. Now, normally this highway will blow clear, but look to the left there. Look at the height of that snow and this snow wall on the right-hand side here. Look at it compared to this van here. We're going to stop it. And that is just about to the height of the van. It's unbelievable. This was just the depth of the snow across the road, and yet there were cars, trucks, pickups that thought that they could make it here on Highway 2 between Crookston and Grand Forks. And so the snowplows, the big blowers, were out and opened up these lanes here just a few hours ago. They finally have the roads open, and we're going to turn north here on Highway on 290th Avenue, and we're going to go up toward my farm. When I came down this morning, my cousin Paul had only opened up just a narrow lane here. You're going to see a snowbank that has never ever been here before. This has never been at this intersection in my recollection, in my lifetime of 67 years. And you'll see that it's piled up here to the left. That's a first time. And where this machine is here, that's piled up a little bit, but to the right, we're going to stop it again just for a moment here. And you're going to see that's natural snow there by the stop sign. This is just an unbelievable remnant of the blizzard as the guy is moving me through here. But take a look as we turn here. We're going to stop it again just for a moment. And look at the depth of this snow. There's a stop sign there. That is naturally blown up here. There's no way that anyone could have gotten out, an ambulance or sheriffs or anybody. There's no way that folks could have gotten out and got through this in this blizzard time. That's the street sign here. And here's the size of the machines that they're using out here. The guy with the lift there is putting the snow in front of this, and he's blowing it out into the street. They're really nice, these guys. They wait, get you through here. This is 2 miles now north up to my road. We're going to just jump ahead here. And this road is called the HIGHGRADE, and it's pretty much open all the time. It's pretty safe and a reasonable way for us to get to town, except that these intersections are getting blocked this year. Now we jump ahead here, and this is where we turn left to our street, the last 0.6 of a mile. And this intersection was relatively open.
Onto 230th Street Southwest.
We're going to just make a turn here. Paul had been down here with the smaller tractor and just made a path so that Leah and Heidi and Ronnie could get to work at about 10 o'clock this morning. You can see there's only been a truck from this yard, but nothing has come down from the north and the farms that are up there yet this morning. Just an amazing amount of snow here from this blizzard, this March 14th.
Continue on 230th Street Southwest for half a
blizzard.
mile.
Nice, beautiful white snow. This is just one whiff of this bucket here that he blasted through, and you can see it's higher than the road on both sides here. And this road is higher than the field on either side. This is still a high road here. It's a couple of feet higher than the field on either side. And that's how much snow we have this year. Otherwise, this road is pretty clean until we get down to the farm. On the left is my farm. It's going to be celebrating 100 years this year. Big celebration this summer. On the right is Paul's. That came somewhat later. And you can see here also, he's busted through just one track here. This is a crazy, crazy lane that we have here. And just wide enough for my little four-wheeler, all-wheel drive SUV. And we're going to pull into the yard there. Down to the right there, a mile farther down, is the original Reitmeier farmstead from the 1880s. That's where Uncle Mike was. But there's no way that we could have gotten to town had we wanted to during the storm. It would have just not let us get out at any time. Up here, there's also, you can see on the other side of my driveway, a significant pile of snow there that we busted through. But there's no way that a regular pickup would have gotten through that. It's about a 50-foot run of about 3 feet on the other side of that. We're going to turn in the yard. That's where we came from the other day. We came from the other direction when I did the video the other day. So that's looking straight west. On the equinox, the sun sets right down that road twice a year. And this is the road into my farmstead here, the lane. Also, there's way more snow than there is driveway. You can see it piled up there. And I thought I'd just give you a little sample of what we've been going through this winter. EDCFG. This is number 7. And in 1997, we had Storm Hannah hit. That was the big nasty one. That was the wet one that broke down all the power lines. And we were 4 days without electricity. And that was the precursor to the big flood in 1997. We're hoping that that doesn't happen. So a little bit of white for those of you that are coming home. It's not springtime yet. For those of you that don't live here, this is winter in Minnesota.